Are you missing out on requests for work on LinkedIn? LinkedIn have a services page for professional services. You'll see on the LinkedIn introductory card, which is this part of your profile. Down here it says providing services. Now there is a video to show you how to set that up, and I'll link to that here on the video. So when you go into providing services, what happened to me was somebody sent me a message on LinkedIn and said, "Hi Louise, I sent you through a request for a proposal." And I thought, I didn't see any request for proposal. So I went to my services page to find out what happened. And here we are. So this is the services page, Louise Brogan Services. This is separate to a LinkedIn company page, completely different. So on your page, you've got your about section, and down here you can say what services you are providing, and a bit of media, have some, invite people to review you down here. So check out the services video. Then over here, we've got requests. You'll notice there are no numbers beside the requests. There are no notifications given about the requests. When I click on requests, I have 2 lead gen requests from 5 months ago and 3 months ago. So let's have a look at this one. Lead generation from Scotland. Sarah, fledgling entrepreneur, would like to know email marketing, social media, an ongoing project within the next month. It says this was 5 months ago. Would like to be working virtually and needs to create leads for her business. I have not seen this. Now, what I'm going to do is if I click on submit proposal, in here it says let your client know why you're a good fit for the project and include a phone consultation, and then you click submit. 1,500 words. What I will do with this is I am going to apologize for not replying to a 5-month-old request for work and get on with sending through a suggestion how we could work together. So running over that again, Louise Brogan Services service page, click on your requests and check that you are not missing out on work on LinkedIn as well. Please hit subscribe, and I will be sharing regular weekly videos on how to use LinkedIn for your business.